Welcome to our channel, where we share valuable insights and strategies for financial independence. In this video, we will explore how I built a powerful financial model that revealed I could retire at 54. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the steps involved in constructing a reliable financial model to map out your own path to early retirement. Many of us dream of an early retirement but are often uncertain about where to start or if it is even possible. Constructing a financial model allows you to gain complete clarity about your financial standing. It helps you track your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and investments, enabling you to make informed decisions for your future. The first step in building a financial model is defining your retirement goals. Consider your desired retirement age, the lifestyle you envision, and the income you'll need to sustain it. By clearly identifying your goals, you'll be able to assess the feasibility of retiring at a certain age. To build an accurate financial model, it is crucial to analyze your income sources. This includes salary, investments, rental income, or any other income streams. Take into account the tax implications and potential growth of each income source. Examining your expenses in detail is equally important. Categorize them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses may include mortgage payments, insurance, or car loans, while variables may include groceries, travel, or entertainment. This analysis will provide a comprehensive overview of your spending habits. Determining your current net worth involves calculating your assets and liabilities. Assets can include property, investments, savings, and more, while liabilities may consist of mortgages, loans, or credit card debt. Subtracting liabilities from assets will give you an accurate picture of your net worth. One of the key elements in projecting future finances is understanding the potential growth of your investments. Research historical trends, consult financial advisors, and consider the risk involved. By incorporating investment growth projections into your model, you can estimate the value of your investments at retirement age. Apart from investments, consider other potential retirement income sources such as Social Security benefits, pension plans, or part-time work. Estimating the income you'll receive during retirement will allow you to adjust your financial model accordingly. Inflation and the cost of living play significant roles in retirement planning. Account for projected inflation rates and factor in the possible increase in expenses during retirement. This will ensure that your financial model remains relevant and adaptable in the long term. Regularly analyzing your financial model's output will provide insights into your progress towards retirement goals. Make adjustments as needed, considering changes in income, expenses, or investment performance. Monitoring your trajectory will bring you closer to achieving financial independence. Flexibility is essential in your journey towards early retirement. Identify areas where you can reduce expenses, maximize savings, or increase income. Small changes can have a significant impact on your financial freedom and timeline. Congratulations! You've now learned how to develop a comprehensive financial model that can reveal your possibilities for early retirement. Armed with this knowledge, you no longer have to wonder if you can retire at 54. You can have the confidence of knowing whether it's within reach or if additional adjustments are needed. Stay tuned to our channel for more tips and strategies on achieving financial independence.